Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
National Testing Agency (NTA) releases the admit card of JEE Main in online mode at jemain.nta.nic.in. Only registered candidates are able to download the admit card using the required credentials. JEE Main admit card contains the information of the exam date, time, and exam center address along with other details. Since it is an important document to be presented at the exam center, the candidates should print it out and keep it ready for use. Here in this video, Careers 360 presents the step-by-step procedure to download the JEE Main 2020 admit card. Steps to download JEE Main 2020 admit card. Visit jemain.nta.nic.in. Click on the download admit card link. Two options for downloading JEE Main admit card will appear on the screen. Choose any one option. Log in with application number and password or application number and date of birth along with entering the security PIN. Click on Sign In. Download the JEE Main admit card by clicking on the download button. Take a printout. Candidates are advised to check all the details mentioned in the admit card carefully and contact the authorities in case of any discrepancy. Candidates can now check the JEE Main exam day guidelines listed by Careers 360.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.